So here the first thing is like we have specified the actions here, and the second thing is the reducer. So now let's try to consider a scenario where you are having a centralized database. So the name of the centralized database is store. So you need to perform some action and the data will be stored in your centralized database, and we cannot directly perform the action onto the centralized database. So we are taking the help of a reducer here. So the reducer will consider our actions and will perform the operation using the actions which we have specified, and the resultant data is stored in our centralized database, that is store here. And now we are trying to make use of the data in the store so that we can provide the data throughout our application, and we have specified it in the root level. And now we are making use of a store connector to fetch the data, and also to perform the actions also we are making use of a store connector here.